How to activate Bankwest credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be talking about activating your Bankwest credit card online. So follow the steps provided. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and then after enter Bankwest in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various links. From here, you're supposed to click on the initial link that is indicating Bankwest home loans, bank accounts, credit cards, and more, whose official website is www.bankwest.com.au. Once you click on it, you will land to their official homepage, and from here you have to locate the login option. As we are going to go for personal online banking, click on the first option over here, and here in the login portal you have to enter the PAN, that is the personal access number, followed by the correct form of your password. And if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your PAN, simply check this box over here. But in the case if you're using a shared or public computer, remember not to check this option for the security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your PAN or your password, you can simply click on the Forgot Your PAN or Reset Your Password online link in order to successfully retrieve or reset your PAN and your password. After you have entered the correct form of your credentials, simply click on the login button that is highlighted in orange color in order to successfully log into your Bankwest online banking account. After logging in, navigate to the self-service option and then click on Manage My Cards and choose your card from the list and click on Activate Now and follow the on-screen instructions provided, and also provide your expiry date on your card to complete the activation process. You can also activate your card using the Bankwest mobile app. Download the app, log in and select the cards option, choose your card and tap on Activate. Use your digital card for the online shopping and in your digital wallet before the physical card arrives. Set up and manage the direct debits in advance. So this was all about it. If you have any queries or questions, you can simply drop the comment below. And do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.